please share this live. Me have one stalker, somebody will not leave me alone. I got the police station, they are not helping me.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win, that's why I'ma try again.
So people, welcome back to my channel. So remember that young lady that I did a video on the other day saying she was being stalked by a man that lived in Barbados. I remember people, I always telling her there is about 3 to 4 sides to every story. And this was one of them. The young lady and her mom was on Instagram Live going off that they went to police station and to report it, that she's been stalked and her life is being threatened, and police nah do nothing. So I have some updated information on that, people. And people is like, when I went on the girl's Instagram page, the first picture that I clicked on, you know what her caption said? She had on this bikini, and the caption for the bikini was 100 pound of pussy. Sorry for the vulgar language, people, but that was her caption for the picture. And her page was full of those pictures too. Not judging a book by its cover, but alright, I'm gonna leave that as that. So the updated information we have, people, is that, so this one is coming from Vibes Promo JA page. So it's an update to the story of the girl who reported that she was being stalked and received no help from the Mandeville police. A confidential police source with knowledge of the interaction with the girl and the police said what is being said is not true. According to the source, who cannot be named because they are not authorized to speak on police matters publicly, the woman did in fact come to the police station seeking to file a report. However, during the interview with an officer, she refused to state key details, people. And during her Instagram live, honestly, she was not mentioning anything of significance. Like, she not tell we said it, she did there with the boy, but by just the way how she was wording her things, we could have known that something was up, like she was involved. On her Instagram page too, you can see that she was in Barbados. Instagram story, yes, she said she did in a Barbados. So, me no know. You tell me, people, she a get stalked by somebody in a Barbados, and she did in a Barbados. There must be in a relationship. You know, just go about where you just go to Barbados if you get stalked, so? No. So he said, the source said she became uncooperative. The source said she was not cooperating, got upset and left. The source also said there was no mention of the man posting nudes on social media. It was suggested that she visit the court's office and take out a restraining order against the person. So that's what the police told them to do. I guess they wanted the police to fly to Barbados and lock him up. Yeah. Finally, the source said police found out that she was involved in a relationship with the person who lives in Barbados. During the relationship, he came to Jamaica. She went to Barbados. She took his money, and when she came back to Jamaica, she ended the relationship. So you hear that, people? That's why I'm telling you, you don't know if she has done this multiple times already, but she meet this one where probably is a stalker. Cause this man probably say, you can't just take my money, so, and me no know wagwan. It not gonna work like this. So that's probably why he was calling her so much time. Cause him decided say, you know, go down like this, and you know, just take my money and cut. So he said it is then that the person tried to get back in touch with her. The police believe, however, that the guy may have been stalking her. However, they don't believe threats were made against her life. So people, as I tell you, there's always 2-3 sides to a story. So I'm going to read a comment to people. So this one guy said, who did see her page before she private it. Girl advertising front about 100 a pound. So may I tell the people? At the front, she used trick the man for get money. How if you take the man money and expect to leave with all that meat knowing say the man hungry? Jamaican people, funny enough people. And everybody in the comments is saying I knew something was missing and didn't add up. You see me? Always three sides to a story. His, hers, and the truth. Yeah, people. And she private her page, so nobody, I guess, can come investigate and sue her one. But when she did unprivate it, people pre things and see what was actually what. And the outcome was she was involved with the youth. She was in a relationship, and you can't just screw people over like that, especially when it involve money, time, and all that. Nah, man, people now take things so lightly nowadays, especially the year 2020. Can't do them things. Young girls out there, if you know not romantically involved with the man, if you know love the man, don't lead him on, don't take him money. Just let him be. Work for where you want. And if you do find somebody that loves you and you love them back, make it work. Yeah, people, so that's the latest info I have on this particular incident. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, big up yourself. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. One love. I'm out.